course, there is always something that needs fixing and always someone asking questions, and that someone would be me. So what are you doing?
I am rigging up our stern anchor on the dinghy so that we don't get beached on low tide. So just gonna rig this up.
And what was wrong with this yellow rope
It
line?
sucks. It's polypropylene. It sucks. I should have never used that.
All right. So what are you using instead?
Nylon 3-strand. That's stronger.
Okay.
Much more suitable for this.
And it's going on a shackle, right?
Oh, good for you. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I'm just trying to add weight. I don't have a chain. So if I can add weight to this, that'll help keep the anchor flat. It'll hold better. Like my hair.
You don't need any hold for your hair.
I don't need that, do I?
Good, excellent. Carry on.
Thank you.
And what knot are you going to use?
What knot do you think I'm going to use?
A bowline.
Yep.
And why do you use a bowline?
Because it's strong, it stays tied.
I did well in knot bingo, sea knot bingo.
See, not bingo. That's funny. You could do an anchor hitch too, which is 2 turns, 2 round turns, and 2 half hitches. I need more.
I can cut that bit out.
2 round turns. And 2 half hitches. It's called an anchor knot.
An anchor knot.
Yep.
Huh. I'm always amazed how many knots this man knows. So you've got an anchor knot there,
Yep.
and a bowline there.
I do indeed.
Fortunately, my job is to film while Ken gets in the water to test whether the anchor works. I supervise from a safe, dry distance.